This is our dedicated brass extrusion profile warehouse in Zhejiang province, covering hundreds of standard hot extruded brass profiles ready for immediate delivery. We maintain over 30 tons of permanent stock on site at all times, from brass skirting profiles, edge trims, transition strips, threshold bars, to decorative and functional sections of all specifications. The entire warehouse is designed as a true spot stock facility, supporting both bulk wholesale and retail top-up orders. All profiles can be cut to exact length on demand, ensuring shipment within 24 hours of order confirmation. This structure gives us unmatched flexibility to meet urgent project schedules and last-minute requirements, scale, speed, and absolute availability. This is the core advantage of our brass extrusion operation in Zhejiang.